Hey, what's up guys? This is Right for the Stories, founder of Self-Cut System. And today I'm gonna show you guys step by step on how to give yourself a skin fade. So the very first step when doing a skin fade is you need to create a guideline. With the Self-Cut System finisher trimmer, which is gonna be available mid-July, you grab one of these and start creating your line around your head. So what I'm doing right now is I'm actually looking at the left mirror so I can get the reflection of the right side of my head. Get a better angle. Alright, so a quick self-cut tip, especially for the beginners out there, when you're holding the trimmer, make sure you hold it this way, not this way. Because what you're doing is you're blocking the view and it's going to be hard for you to cut your hair. So put your thumb, your left thumb, your right thumb, right underneath the trimmer and four of your fingers on top of the trimmer, just like this. Now with the other side, you look at the right side mirror to see the left side of your head. People always ask, can you really see the back of your head? Yes, you can. If you turn your head at a certain angle, you will be able to see the reflection of every angle of your whole entire head. This is the easiest step when it comes to fading. What I tell everyone is, if you know how to fade, you can pretty much do anything, any haircut. Because it's all about blending. Yeah, I cut my hair once or something twice a week, depending on, if there's a specific place that I have to go or, but at least once a week. I always like to be fresh. That's why I invented the self-cut system for myself. And now I'm very fortunate that I can share it with the world. What do you guys think? Easy, right? Make sure you get a brush. Clean the side of your head, the back of your head. Make sure you didn't miss the spot. All right, so the second step is, what is this now? Is I'm gonna do the top. Sometimes I do a number 4 guard or a number 3.5 guard. It depends on my mood, but today let's do just number 4. So what I'm using right now is I'm using the Self-Cut System Lambo Clipper, which is going to be available next month in mid-July. So take a look, look out for those. You guys don't need a $200 clipper, This goes for the whole combo kit, $150. You get the clipper and the trimmer. It's cordless, as you can see. And it lasts up to 6 hours of cutting. The reason why I'm cutting the top, so I know when I start doing the side, what guards to use. So what I did was I used a zero blade with a self-cut system trimmer zero blade here. This is a 4, so now I have to blend it. So when it comes to blending, it's all about layers. So that's why, having the right guards plays a huge role in fitting your hair. So all these are 4. Then I'm gonna start off with, I'm gonna show you once I'm finished with the top. Then I'm gonna take a 0 and adjust the blade to a 0. And I'm gonna go probably like a 1/4 inch. So I'm gonna create another set of guidelines. And so go up an inch. The next step is once I create my second guideline with a 0 blade using a self-cut system clipper, I'm gonna go with a number 3 guard and I'm gonna go over it around the side. As you can see, it's not really cutting as much. So I'm showing this intentionally so you guys can understand that it's all about the layers. Now let's do a 2.5 guard. It's kind of a little bit, but not as much. You hear that crunching noise? Yeah. So what's so great about our clipper is that and you know it's cutting it when you start hitting the crunching noise. See, it's cutting just a little bit. And then I'm gonna use, I went from a 2.5 to then a 1.5 guard. It's cutting a little bit. Not as much as you can see. Alright, let's switch it up to a number 1 guard. For those of you who's watching this and who pre-ordered the self-cut system retro kit, which is the clipper and the trimmer, Yeah, we just want to say, we'd like to apologize. There was a delay with a shipment. So, we sent you guys an email, and we just want to say thank you for just being patient with us and understanding what's going on, especially, through this hard times with the whole country, the whole world's going through. We hope everybody is safe and staying healthy. But you guys are definitely going to get it between July 15th to July 30th. I think it's a great idea for you guys to pre-order it because, as you can see, if you guys go to any stores, Walmart, CVS, Target, all the clippers are sold out in the aisle section. So right now, I'm just playing, I'm just going over with a number 1 guard. Now I'm going to take it off and I'm going to use a 0.5 guards. So you want the level down. So by using the corner of the blade, I'm slowly blending the side of my head. You guys can see how I start blending slowly. Again, it's all about layers. So the guard plays a huge important role, or using the right guards and the right technique plays a huge role when it comes to fading. Guys, you guys want to go straight up and out, not go up and inward. You don't want to do that. Because once you do that, it's going to be hard for you to fade it. And then I'm going to do the other side. You see, I'm going up and upward. Up and outward. Yeah, you guys can still see the line across my head, and I can easily get rid of that. Go over it a few times. And then go back with a 0 blade. All right, guys. All right, so now, this is, I don't want to say a trick, but this is like the last step when it comes to giving you, or getting rid of the line. The trick is to use a trimmer, use the self-cut system finisher trimmer to get rid of the line. So the way you do it is, you turn it on, you want to use the corner of the blade to get rid of it. So me just looking at the left side mirror, I can easily see where I'm cutting. What do you guys think? Voila. No camera trick. It's all technique, guys. I don't go too high. I'm going like right over the line to start the blending process. Close. And the other side. I'm looking at the right side mirror to see the left side of my head. Today's Friday, and it's the best day to look fresh because you got the weekend coming up. Or technically today is the beginning of the weekend. It's not Saturday, it's Friday. Well, for me it is. What do you guys think? Too fresh for YouTube. See that blend? So what's so great about the self-cut system mirror, especially the 2.0 headlights, is that it just makes you become a perfectionist. You can see like what you miss. You can see the spot that you miss. The only person that knows how you want your hair to look like is yourself. So why not invest into something that will use every single day or every week? See, I'm like you guys. I'm the type of guy that don't really buy a lot of things. I just buy things that I use on a daily basis. Like that. Yeah, I'm a ROI focused type of guy, which means that ROI stands for return of your investment. Spent $100, $200 on a complete self-grooming kit that will help me save not only money, but time. People ask which one is more important, time or money. Guys, time. Time is more important than money. Because time is, listen, not everybody's can live forever. Money is gonna be around forever, but not time. But anyway, if you guys have any questions, any concerns, you could always download our free self-cut system tutorial app. You could also subscribe on our YouTube, and just, every week, at least once, twice a week, we'll do self-cut tutorials. And yeah, guys, so, if you'd like to order, the link's down below. It's selfcutsys.com, and the promo code is RYFORD10, RYFORD10. So, all right, guys. Well, see you guys soon, and thank you for watching. Peace.